Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Often, the difference between financial growth and stagnation lies not just in how much you earn, but in how you manage and strategize your financial resources. In this video, we'll delve into the proven strategies used by the financially successful to build and preserve their wealth. From mastering the basics of budgeting to sophisticated investment approaches, these insights are designed to guide you through creating a robust financial foundation and expanding it efficiently. Embracing financial literacy. The first fundamental step towards financial independence is developing a solid understanding of financial principles. Financial literacy enables you to navigate the complexities of economic environments and make decisions that bolster your financial stability. Start by engaging with educational content. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad and The Total Money Makeover offer great insights into personal finance management. Online platforms offer courses ranging from basic financial education to advanced investment strategies, often free or at low cost. Regularly updating your financial knowledge can transform the way you save, invest, and even spend. Effective budgeting techniques. A robust budget is the blueprint of successful financial planning. It's not merely about tracking expenses, but about structuring your finances in a way that aligns with your economic goals. Wealthy individuals often use detailed budgets that categorize spending and track income sources meticulously. By adopting budgeting tools such as Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Personal Capital, you can gain a comprehensive overview of your finances. These tools help not only in managing monthly expenses, but also in planning for future financial goals, ensuring you're always prepared for the next step. The power of investment. Investing is crucial for accumulating wealth, requiring the commitment of resources today for future gains. Starting with low-risk options like bonds or index funds offers exposure to the market with minimal risk. As confidence grows, diversification into stocks, real estate, or venture capital becomes viable. Each investment type carries unique risks and rewards, necessitating understanding and careful consideration. Successful investors strategically balance their portfolios across various assets to optimize risk and return. By gradually expanding investment horizons and embracing diversification, individuals can build resilient financial foundations. However, it's essential to remain informed, adapt to market changes, and seek professional advice when necessary to navigate the complexities of investing effectively. Diversification of assets. Asset diversification is critical in mitigating risk and enhancing potential returns. The adage, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," holds particularly true in finance. Wealthy individuals spread their investments across various asset types, industries, and geographical locations. This strategy not only protects against significant losses in one area, but also takes advantage of growth in others. Start by evaluating your risk tolerance and diversify accordingly. This might mean mixing stocks with bonds, adding real estate, or considering commodities as part of your investment strategy. Real estate investments. Investing in real estate offers a tangible method to grow wealth. It can provide both rental income and capital appreciation. However, it requires understanding market trends and managing property effectively. Beginners should consider starting small, perhaps with a single residential property or through a real estate investment trust, REIT, that allows investment in commercial real estate without the need to directly manage properties. Over time, as one gains more experience and confidence, expanding into larger projects or more properties can significantly boost your investment portfolio. Regular financial reviews. Regular financial checkups are vital for maintaining financial wellness, akin to routine health checkups for physical well-being. Establish a schedule for quarterly or biannual reviews to assess your financial standing. Evaluate investment performance, track savings progress, and revisit financial goals. Determine if you're on track and if adjustments are needed. This disciplined approach ensures alignment with financial objectives and enables prompt reactions to unforeseen challenges or opportunities. By staying proactive, you can navigate financial landscapes effectively and secure your future stability. Debt management strategies. Effective debt management is vital for financial stability. Good debt, like mortgages or student loans, typically yields long-term benefits such as asset acquisition or education. Conversely, bad debt, exemplified by high-interest credit cards, often leads to financial strain. To manage debt effectively, consider consolidating multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Additionally, prioritize paying off high-interest debts swiftly to minimize interest costs. Utilizing tools and apps can streamline debt repayment by providing budgeting and tracking features, ensuring adherence to repayment plans. By distinguishing between types of debt and employing strategic approaches, individuals can maintain control over their finances, reduce stress, and work towards achieving long-term financial goals. Creating multiple income streams. Diversifying income is crucial for financial stability amidst uncertainties like job loss. Explore various avenues such as monetizing hobbies, investing in income-generating assets, or freelancing to create multiple income streams. Each source acts as a buffer, offsetting any potential setbacks in one stream. This strategy not only boosts overall income, but also distributes financial risks. For instance, turning a passion project into a side business or investing in stocks can supplement your primary income. Freelancing in your skill set can provide additional earnings. By diversifying, you ensure a more robust financial foundation, mitigating the impact of economic fluctuations. Tax planning and optimization. Strategic tax planning is vital for reducing liability and optimizing financial resources. Utilizing retirement accounts such as 401(k)s and IRAs can offer tax advantages either immediately or down the line. Consulting with a tax advisor is advisable to explore deductions, credits, and other tax-saving strategies customized to your circumstances. They can offer guidance on intricate matters like investment losses, rental property income, or small business taxation, ensuring you leverage all available tax benefits effectively. By proactively managing your tax situation, you can maximize savings and allocate more funds towards your long-term financial goals. Retirement planning. Retirement planning necessitates adept utilization of diverse saving tools. Initiate contributions early to harness the power of compound interest. Maximize allocations to employer-sponsored retirement schemes like 401(k)s, capitalizing on potential employer matches. Evaluate individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and Roth IRAs judiciously, aligning them with your present and anticipated income brackets to ascertain their optimal benefits. Strategic planning ensures a comfortable retirement, sustaining your desired lifestyle without financial stress. By leveraging these avenues effectively, you pave the way for a secure and fulfilling post-work life. Insurance and protection. Insurance plays a pivotal role in financial planning, safeguarding against unforeseen risks. Life insurance ensures financial security for loved ones in the event of death, while disability insurance provides income protection if unable to work due to injury or illness. Health insurance covers medical expenses, shielding against healthcare costs. Property insurance shields assets from damage or loss. Additionally, umbrella insurance offers extended coverage beyond standard policies, guarding against liability claims exceeding policy limits. Wealthy individuals utilize insurance strategically, employing certain life policies for tax-advantaged wealth accumulation. Thus, comprehensive insurance coverage forms a cornerstone of financial security, shielding against diverse risks and offering avenues for strategic financial planning. Philanthropy and legacy planning. For many wealthy individuals, financial management also involves considering the impact of their wealth beyond their own lives. Engaging in philanthropy and planning for the future through wills, trusts, and estate planning are ways to ensure that your wealth serves a purpose beyond personal comfort. These tools can also provide significant tax advantages and ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes without legal complications. Financial mastery requires a blend of knowledge, strategy, and ongoing diligence. By adopting the strategies discussed here, you can better position yourself for financial success and security. Keep learning, stay proactive in managing your finances, and adjust your strategies as your needs and the economic environment evolve. Thank you for joining us on Finance Master. If these tips have helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful financial videos. Here's to making smart money moves together.